Hey and welcome to Alpha One. Today is a very interesting day. I have now recently had a session for Forex and binary option, and sadly I could not even find one trade. It's terrible. The market is just terrible. So I need to admit I do not have big hopes either for my binary option robots. So I'm going to run my Alpha Master today. It's a binary option robot, by the way, that do not use martingale. So I'll do one trade and hopefully I win, but personally I will not trade today. And I would not have run my robots today either if I was not a YouTuber, but as I am a YouTuber and I want to trade every single day so you can see what works and do not work, I will run the robot today. But you should not run the robot today, also know. So, but yes, I will run it. So I'm bubbling a little here now, but let's see. So also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. And yes, you can download this robot and get started today. Maybe you should not run today, but that's completely up to you. So for that, just push the link you see up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also included in the link is a promo code that gives you 50% on your first deposit. So make sure your first deposit is counting. You need to deposit more than $100 at least, okay? If you deposit less than $100, you will not get this 50%, the promo code that is included in the link. I'm a little tired because I was looking trades now for 1 hour and I did not find one. So I'm a little down. So I really hope that this robot can at least give me a little feeling of winning today. So sorry for that. I'm a little tired because yeah, I hate when I manual trading and I find nothing. So, but let's start up Alpha Master and let's see if at least we can get some money there. So with that, let's start it up. And there we got it. Oh, I really needed that. After a long day with the trading and don't even find one trade, you get mentally and tired. I even like more to trade Forex and binary option and have a losing day than have a day where I don't find nothing. That's me, of course. I like rather to lose a little and at least have the excitement to take some trades than have a day I don't find nothing. So then it's so good to see that this robot is reliable, a little to talk, and we can turn in some profit, by the way. So you can see here now we made a profit of $484. I'm super happy with that. You can download this robot also, just push this robot thing you see up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.